In this video, you will learn how to use one of the law of logarithm, a to the power of log base a, p equal to p, to solve questions. The key idea of this law is that if the number a and the base of log are the same, then we can simplify these whole things into p. In first example, we need to simplify 3 to the power of 1 over 4 times log base 3 16. Here, we have the number 3 and the base of log the same, but we have an extra term 1 over 4. To remove it, we use another law of logarithms, which is making the term 1 over 4 to become the power. Now, we have the exact form as the law above. We can further simplify it into 16 to the power of 1 over 4, or 2. In second example, we have 4 to the power of log base 2 x equal to 5. First, we need to make the number 4 and the base of log the same. You can either change both to 4 or 2. Here, I choose to make both of them 2. Again, we have an extra term of 2, and using one of the law of logarithms, we can make it into x to the power of 2. Now, by comparison, we can say that x squared is equal to 5 and x is equal to square root of 5. We reject the negative square root of 5 because log cannot take a negative value.